Omanis are the nationals of Oman. Omanis have inhabited the territory that is now Oman. In the 18th century, an alliance of traders and rulers transformed Muscat into the leading port of the Persian Gulf. Omani people are ethnically diverse. The Omani citizen population consists of many different ethnic groups. The majority of the population consists of Arabs, with many of these Arabs being Swahili language speakers and returnees from the Swahili coast, particularly Zanzibar. Additionally, there are ethnic Balochis, Lurs, Persians and Meri. There are also Omanis from South Asia like the Lavati and others. Moreover, in Dhofar, Sur and Muscat, people of black African origin can be found. They are the descendants of the slaves who were brought from Africa centuries ago. Omani citizens make up the majority of Oman's total population. Over 1.5 million other Omanis live in other areas of the Middle East and the Swahili coast. Most Omanis live in farming villages that are located in either the fertile valleys of Oman's mountainous interior or along the eastern coast. Interior farmers grow dates, fruits, and grains, while coastal villagers either fish in the Gulf of Oman or work on date palm plantations. Village homes are usually made of concrete blocks, mud brick, or wood and palm thatch. In rural areas, men wear white robes, turbans, and knives in brightly colored sashes. The Omanis live in modern family units. Their society is patriarchal, or male-dominated. Most Omanis live in villages, cities and towns. Their lifestyle has a wider variety of occupations, stronger family ties and respected women rights. They are more concerned with hospitality than with property, wealth, and education. Most live in older whitewashed houses and are employed as officials, laborers, merchants, and sailors. An increasing number of them are also working in the petroleum industry. In 1970, Oman's new Sultan introduced several developmental programs to help modernize the country. These included developing the oil industry, building new roads, hospitals and schools, and establishing adult literacy programs. Omani presence in the Swahili coast can be traced since the Nabhani dynasty. In the late 17th century, Zanzibar became part of the overseas holdings of Oman after Saif bin Sultan, the Imam of Oman, defeated the Portuguese in Mombasa, in what is now Kenya. Large numbers of Omanis settled in the Swahili coast, especially after 1832, when the Omani Sultan Said bin Sultan moved his court to Zanzibar. To the Omanis, the region became a land of economic opportunity. Omanis who migrated to the Swahili coast looked forward to a better life. The Omani community in the Swahili coast grew and became financially successful. Omanis stopped moving to Zanzibar after a revolution occurred in Zanzibar in 1964. The Omani descendant, Sultan of Zanzibar, Sultan Jamshed bin Abdullah, was overthrown, and thousands of Omanis were killed, among many other Arabs. Soon after the revolution, many Omanis fled Zanzibar to avoid persecution and returned to their ancestral homeland in Oman. But others chose to remain on the Swahili coast.